Right, this is the APS UAR. I'm just going to show you quickly how to assemble it. First, there's just 3 push pins which I've already took out, and then you just take this buttstock off, you unclip this little toggle. Next thing you do is just there, the little nut, you can twist that 90 degrees, and then this, with a bit of a wiggle, slide that on. Then this part slides up, with a bit of a wiggle. It is a bit of a fiddle to get off. That should come out with a spring. That leaves you with this nut here. I've loosened this one already, but it's really awkward to get off. Just put it into safe, slide that over, pull out the outer barrel. Next thing, there's just one little screw here. That pops out, and your gearbox just pop off and out. Now, there's one guy who's got a particular problem of his selector switch isn't working, and what can happen is this lever on the gearbox can pop out of his little hole on the armature, which is just, I'll just get in. Just down in that little slot. Probably easy to see from here. Just behind the trigger mechanism. Sorry about the light. Just here. Oh, just that. There's a little fork at the bottom, so we can get a better shot of that. It's just tucked in behind here. So when you put it back together, you have to make sure that that arm slides into that fork. That fork, which is just, you can just about see that. So make sure that those two mate properly, otherwise the selector won't work properly. Other little issue you can have is this cable here, just here, can catch on the slide here when the battery's in, and that can lock into full auto. You have to make sure you either take that down, or like I'm going to do, just rewire it.